So I've been exploring Virgin Voyages for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Virgin Voyages. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Virgin Voyages. First off, Virgin Voyages offers a sleek, modern, and somewhat tech-driven cruising experience. Their ships, like the Scarlet Lady and Resilient Lady, cater to a mostly adult crowd with a more upscale vibe compared to traditional cruise lines. One major selling point is the nearly all-inclusive pricing. Your fare includes dining at any of the premium restaurants, essential drinks, Wi-Fi, and gratuities. This eliminates the stress of hidden fees that many other cruise lines often pile on, making it a great option if you want simplicity and transparency in your vacation costs. Speaking of food, the dining options are a standout. With multiple dining venues featuring different cuisines, you won't get bored. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. For instance, the late-night dining options are limited. So, if you're someone who craves a midnight snack, you might be disappointed, as your only real option late at night is the pizza place, which can get really busy sometimes. When it comes to entertainment, it starts strong with lively shows, acrobatics, and themed events, but it can get repetitive, with some passengers noting that they saw the same performances throughout their trip. Overall, if you're looking for a more relaxed, adult-oriented cruise with fewer hidden costs and no kids in sight, Virgin Voyages could be a great choice. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.